To merge two contacts with the same name into one on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Contacts app. Type the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then select Manage Contact. Tap Merge Contact, and then make sure you are in the name section. Here you can see all contacts with the same name. Select the desired contacts with the same name you like to merge. The one with the blue check mark will be the default for the contact, which means your phone will use it by default when you select this contact for certain action like sharing a content or else. Now tap merge. The selected contacts with the same name have been merged into one. Given to the function, you can merge two or more contacts with the same name into one, so that you can stop your phone from displaying duplicate contacts on your contact list, or so you can put all separated information of a contact into a single place. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.